Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into the Amazon Fire Tablet, specifically the 2025 model. If you've just unboxed this sleek device or you're helping a friend get started, you're in the right place. Turning on your Fire Tablet is super easy and takes just a minute or two. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Amazon Fire Tablet is fully charged or plugged in. This prevents any unexpected shutdowns during setup. Locate the power button. It's usually on the top edge of the device, near the volume controls. It might look like a small circle or a slider, depending on your model. Now, press and hold that power button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll feel a slight vibration or see the screen light up. That's your cue that it's powering on. If it's your first time using it, the tablet will boot up to a welcome screen where you'll set up your language, Wi-Fi, and Amazon account. Don't worry if it takes a few extra seconds. These devices are optimized for speed, but initial setups can vary. Once it's on, you'll land on the home screen, ready for apps, books, and movies. Pro tip: if nothing happens when you press the button, double-check that it's charged or try a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This is rare, but it's good to know. And there you have it. Your Amazon Fire Tablet is now up and running. Whether you're streaming shows or reading ebooks, this device is a fantastic companion. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.